In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create forms in Hubspot. Specifically, we'll walk through how to build a pop-up form, connect it to one of your existing forms, or create a brand new one, and then get it live on your site. First, log into your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation at the top. Hover over the marketing menu, then look for the section labeled Lead Capture. Under that heading, click on CTAs. This is where Hubspot keeps the tools for pop-ups and other calls to action, so any pop-up form you create will live here. Once you're on the CTAs page, go to the top right corner and click the Create button. A panel or window will appear where you can choose what type of CTA you want. Click on the Pop-ups tab so Hubspot knows you're building a pop-up style call to action instead of a simple button or banner. Next, you'll be asked to choose your format. From the available options, select Pop-up Box. This is the classic centered pop-up that appears over your page content and is ideal for capturing leads with a short form. After choosing the pop-up box format, you'll see a preview of your pop-up and a panel on the left labeled Add, where you can add different elements. Look for the form module in this panel. Click and drag the form module into your pop-up preview area. This is what actually turns your pop-up into a form rather than just a message. As soon as you drop in the form module, a sidebar will open where you can attach a form. Here, you can either select an existing form that you've already built in Hubspot, or you can click Create New Form to make a new one on the spot. If you're creating a new form, take a moment to name it clearly so you can recognize it later in your reports. With your form attached, you'll want to control when this pop-up appears. At the top of the editor, click on the Targeting tab. This is where you set the trigger for your pop-up. Common options include showing it on exit intent when a visitor is about to leave the page or after a certain percentage of page scroll. Choose the trigger that best matches your goal and double-check any additional settings like which pages it should appear on. When everything looks good, click Review and Publish. Hubspot will show you a final summary so you can confirm your settings. If you're happy with how it looks and behaves, click Publish now. Your pop-up form is now live and ready to start capturing leads.